आप मेरे को कह रहे हो कि मेरे को मैटलैब आता है, मेरे को ये 4 और चीजें आती है, बट कभी ट्राई आउट नहीं किया है कहीं रियल प्रोजेक्ट पे. दिस इज अ टाइम. टेक दिस एज अ वेरी सीरियस एडवाइस एंड स्टार्ट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इन योर लाइफ. Alright guys, so welcome back once again. If you're somebody new to my channel, my name is Nikhilesh and I live here in Berlin. I'm here with my friend. She's currently studying her MBA. It's been 6 months that she's been here. Are you doing part-time job right now?
Yes, I am.
Why that? Were you thinking कि कौन सा वाला part-time job? In 6 months, how many part-time jobs have you done?
No. This is like I've only have had one part-time job.
What you're doing now?
Yeah, what I'm doing now. Yeah.
Okay. You have not done anything.
No.
Any other short job?
No,
Okay.
nothing.
Okay.
Just one part-time job.
Like since how long are you working now? Like part-time में?
I think it's been 4 months.
अच्छा. So आते ही 2 महीने बाद you just started. पहले.
चाहिए थे नहीं.
Tell us, like, there are a lot of beginners, right? बहुत सारे लोग first time आ रहे हैं, abroad आ रहे हैं first time. Where is that starting point to look for a part-time job? I'm sitting in my room. I've reached in Germany with all the efforts what I was required to put in. How do I start?
First thing is, according to me, something that I've heard a lot, and that's something that worked for me, was also having connections. It is good if you have connections and if you have the language proficiency. That's something that's gonna help you a lot. Like if you're looking for a part-time job, like an internship or something in your field of study, you need to go attend all of these workshops and all of these work fairs that happen here. They happen quite frequently, I think, and there you can find the vacancies in companies and you can find what they're looking for. If you are not able to get a job or a part-time in one of the fields that you want, you can go for part-time jobs in restaurants and hotels and all of that stuff. Like most of the people who are like studying, who are doing their masters and everything, they are mostly working part-time in restaurants and in hotels and jobs like that.
What are you doing right now?
I'm also working in a restaurant.
How much do you make an hour?
It's 13.5 per hour.
By the end of the month, after tax, how much do you make?
Around 900 to 1000.
And is that good enough for your survival here?
Yeah, I think with the block amount fund that we get every month, this is like, I mean, yeah, it also depends on the lifestyle that you want. So like if you want to go shopping all the time, buy expensive things, have no control on your finances, then no amount is enough for you. But like
I mean, personally speaking, I've not met such reckless people yet. Student में होते हुए, have you met people who do that, like mindless buying?
no, not yet.
Or do you do that?
No, I don't do that. Why? No, I
You
don't
look
do
like that.
No. I'm in control, guys.
What about second year का blocked account? Have you come prepared with that as well? Like घर से या?
No, I'm not. I've not come prepared for that.
Okay.
I do have funds in my bank account already. So like
Right.
when I go for my visa renewal and everything, I can submit my bank statements and that'll be good to go.
Just to explain you the mechanism, those students who are coming in 2024 onwards, from your home country, even though your course is of 2 years, you're getting visa straight for 1 year. Right before this visa expires, on the 10th month or the 11th month or the 12th month, you will go to immigration office and get your visa extended for next year as well. When you're extending the visa for next year, you're supposed to show Ausländer Behörde, which is the immigration office, funds, what you did while coming for the first time from back home, right? That's what she's saying कि जो पैसा अभी कमा रही है, what she's making is still getting saved because first year का blocked account तो अभी भी open चल रहा है, right? And again, it totally depends on the amount of hours you put in. The more hours you put in, the more money you make. There is a threshold. If you cross, then you end up paying more taxes as well. As a student, you are allowed to work 140 full days, 280 half days. This is a new rule. So the number may look बहुत छोटा, but I think if you work like 20 hours every single day of the year, it's enough. Just keep these points in mind. And what's your current cost of living? Like, give me the breakdown of how much do you spend where, so that we have an understanding of, now that we have established you make around 900 to 1,000 euros, we will also look at cost of living and we will see what does remain at home.
I am paying a rent of 700 euros. I live in a private room, which is quite big and spacious in my defense. I pay 125 for health insurance every month. That is mandatory. You have to pay. And I think they've increased the amount now.
Yeah.
Apart from that, you have have to pay for your SIM card that goes every month. And apart
Grocery, you eat or no?
yeah, I do eat.
How much do you spend there?
At home, we buy groceries for like it costs us around 50 to 100 euros per person.
If you were not to work in a restaurant, because I'm sure, because you work in a restaurant, you have got your food sorted there.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you were not to work in a restaurant,
Yeah, I see minimum 50 euros it will cost.
a month.
Yeah, for groceries and everything.
You mean कि कहीं बाहर खाना ही नहीं है?
No, so for groceries at home is what I mean. 50 euros. उसके अलावा बाहर तो obviously
Once in a while you
spend.
go out, right?
Of course I go out. Once in a while, no. Almost every day I eat baar.
What's the figure at the end of the month?
150 to 100 euros.
No, total. Accommodation, insurance, grocery, miscellaneous, SIM card. What's the total amount there?
1200 euros approx.
1200 euros?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay.
My rent is 700, guys.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Makes sense. If she was to move in that same apartment, in the same room, because Berlin में there are people I know in one room, 3 people, 3 beds, एक room में. Then your rent will drastically go down, probably between 400 to 600. 400 तो नहीं, बहुत कम बोल दिया मैंने. 400 में तो आज के टाइम में कुछ
400
नहीं
मिल जाता है.
मिल जा रहा है.
Yeah. So like if I decide to like keep another girl with me in my room, it'll be 350 only. So I'm planning to do that only now.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a cover up.
No, seriously.
But okay, it depends on your lifestyle. It depends on how much comfort you need and luxury you want to live in. There are people I know of, they are used to a certain lifestyle and they cannot compromise on that, which is fine. It's your money and you do you. But on an average, a larger population makes somewhere between 800 to 1,000 euros after tax. On an average, a larger population ends up spending cost of living almost the equal amount, by the way. So you're at a break even, you know.
Yeah.
So जो first year का blocked account लेके आए थे, you will end up spending very little if you start early your part-time job, because that was very smart of you to start like after 2 months right away. I know some people वो 4 महीने बाद mini job कर रहे हैं कहीं 540 euros कमा के, ठीक है. But yeah, my conclusion in this video is just to give you a glimpse into how much can you make, and I will leave all the important links where you can look for a job in the description of this video. What website, what sort of CV you should have, cover letter, you know, how do you approach an employer. There are links in the description of this video. But at the end of the day, I'm sure you would agree that you came this far to make a career, a good professional career out of what you're studying, right? And I don't think so you want to just go on forever working in a restaurant because it does pay your bills, but it's also scary that it gets comfortable.
Yeah, it is. It is scary because it's good money. At the end of the day, it is good money. And yeah, but like that's not the end goal. And one thing, it's like इधर आके कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं है.
Exactly, yeah.
It's like you have to do what you have to do. You have to survive. You're on your own literally here. So like जो काम मिले, just do it.
And preferably build utana skills so that you are able to do something which is more skillful and can then be added to the CV as well. We just want to leave you with this thought. Example could be knowing how to do video editing, how to do filming. If you're somebody who's into marketing, right? Know all these aspects. How do you build a landing page? How do you build a funnel? If you're into going into finance, know all the fintech tools. If you're interested in project management, know all your tools. If you're into engineering, know all your tools. Because at the end of the day, your doors will only open up अगर आपके पास कुछ भी experience नहीं है. Solely on 2 things. Academics में कितना score किया आपने और क्या आता है, ठीक है? Because आपके पास hands on experience नहीं है किसी भी चीज़ का. आप मेरे को कह रहे हो कि मेरे को MATLAB आता है, मेरे को ये 4 और चीज़ें आती है, but कभी try out नहीं किया है कहीं real project पे. This is a time where wherever you are watching us from, take this as a very serious advice and start implementing in your life. The moment you are here, you will then see कि ठीक है भाई, अपने को first hand experience नहीं है, but if you can do a freelance project for somebody, if you can do a free project for somebody without charging any money, you will know कि जब आप काम करने उतरोगे, there'll be things which you will come across that you would have never imagined. You know, sometimes knowing 5 things which is required in a job is very different to actually going out and doing it. ठीक है? So practicality should be at the core of everything what you do. ठीक है? Check the description of this video. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.